All right, if you're a creative person, you know the drill, right? The constant hunt for inspiration. But what if the one place we all go to is actually holding you back? Today, we are going to look beyond the usual pinboards. We're going to discover 5 powerful, super focused tools that could totally change up your creative workflow. So let's dive in.
Okay, I want to kick things off with a really bold statement, and this comes straight from our source material. Ready? Stop using Pinterest.
Whoa, I know. That sounds pretty extreme, right? I mean, Pinterest is the go-to for almost everyone. So why this sudden call to just, abandon ship? Well, here's the thing. The argument isn't really about getting rid of inspiration altogether. It's about finding better, more professional sources for it.
And that right there brings us to the whole point of this explainer. See, we're not just talking about ditching one tool, we're talking about upgrading our entire toolkit. It's a move away from a one-size-fits-all platform to a whole set of specialized pro-level resources.
So let's break down the difference here. On one side, you've got that common experience, right? The feed that's super broad, kind of cluttered with ads, and honestly not always relevant to what you're actually doing. But the alternative we're exploring, well, that's all about tools that are specialized, totally ad-free, and beautifully curated. So, you ready to meet the first one?
Okay, so our first alternative is so much more than just a gallery of pretty pictures. Think of it as a living, breathing community, a place where creatives are actually sharing their work and getting real feedback from people who get it.
And that amazing community is called Dribbble.
And the key here, the really crucial part, is the focus on professional work. Just imagine scrolling through a feed where every single post is a high-quality shot, like a little sneak peek of a design project, from an actual pro in the field. You're not going to find any recipes or home decor hacks here. Nope. This is just a place for pure, uncut, focused design inspiration, where you can actually talk to the people who are making this incredible stuff.
All right, let's move on to tool number 2. Now this one is for those of you who want to see more than just the shiny final product. If you're the kind of person who really wants to understand the entire journey, from that first spark of an idea all the way to the finished piece.
And for that, you're going to want to check out Behance.
Behance's real power is that it shows you the whole story. It's a portfolio platform, sure, but creators use it to share full-blown project case studies. So you don't just see the finished logo. Oh no, you get to see the initial sketches, the concepts that got thrown out, how they developed the color palette, the whole shebang. It's basically like getting an all-access behind-the-scenes pass to the entire creative process. Okay, next up, we're gonna look at a powerful trio of tools. I'm calling them the 3 kings of curation, because they absolutely rule when it comes to finding high-quality inspiration.
And yep, we've got 3 of them, each one a total gem in its own right. So let's meet the first one.
First up in our trio, Cosmos.
Our source material calls this one, and I quote, "the new, cooler Pinterest for creators." And honestly, that just nails the vibe perfectly. It has that same easy drag-and-drop mood board feel we all know, but it's been built from the ground up for today's creative pros. We're talking a super clean look and really high-quality stuff that other creators are sharing.
Okay, the second tool in our curation trio is a favorite among professionals, and it's all about one thing: absolute simplicity. Meet Save.id. The real beauty of Save.it is actually in what it's missing. Seriously, there are no ads, there's no algorithm trying to guess what you want to see. It's just a pure, clean, minimalist grid for you to collect images that inspire you. It is so clean and so focused that it's become the go-to secret weapon for top design studios all around the globe.
And for our third and final king of curation, our 5th tool overall, we get to see the true power of going super specialized. This one carves out a very specific niche, and it serves that niche better than anyone else. Let's talk about Arch Daily.
So look, if your world is architecture or interior design, this is it. This is your holy grail. It is the single largest online reference library for what you do, and it offers this incredibly deep well of inspiration. We're talking project details, floor plans, even material lists. It's a level of detail that a general platform could just never, ever match.
Okay, so let's pull this all together. We've got Dribbble, Behance, Cosmos, Save.it, and Arch Daily. The thing to remember is that these aren't just drop-in replacements for one another. Think of them as individual, specialized instruments that, together, form a brand new, seriously upgraded creative toolkit.
And this really sums it up, doesn't it? The choice is between having one single general-purpose tool that can feel kind of cluttered and unfocused, or having a curated toolkit where every single piece is designed for a specific professional job. You know, it's the classic difference between a Swiss Army knife and a specialist's toolbox. One can do a lot of things okay, but the other does a few things perfectly.
So the real takeaway here is all about being more intentional, more deliberate with where you get your inspiration. So I'm going to leave you with this question to think about. When you look at your own creative process, which one of these powerful tools are you going to try adding to your workflow first?